Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am doing a client tutorial and I'm starting off with her brows. She already has pretty full brows and doesn't like them too dark, so I am just shaping them out a little bit with some powder. Off camera, I did clean up the brows with some concealer and I also primed the eyelids with concealer, but I did not set my lids. So I am starting off with this light gray shade on the crease. And on top of that color, I'm going to go in with a warmer shade from the Anastasia palette. I just like the combination of a cool tone crease color with a warm tone crease color. And I am just blending that out. So I am going to go back and forth blending. Then I will go ahead and put in a dark brown shade on the outer corners as well as in the crease. And this dark brown shade is just going to be my blueprint for the black shadow that I will apply later on. So as you can see, I add the color, I blend, I add some more, and then I blend again. With any look, it's important to blend and to add, because if you add all the colors at once, it's just going to look super messy. After, I do take a light colored shadow and highlight the brow bone. So then now I am going to go in with the black shadow, and I am just enhancing what I did earlier with the dark brown shadow, and I am just basically outlining the outer V, which is the outer corner of her eye. Next, I am just going to take a shimmer shadow and I am going to apply that all over the lid to prepare it for the glitter that I'm going to apply afterwards, which is one of the Stila liquid shadows. I'm going to go in with more of the black eyeshadow and I'm going to stamp a line on her lash line, just so that when I apply the lashes, you can't tell where the band is. So now that I am all set with the eyes, I'm going to just clean up the face with some Bioderma just to make sure that everything is clean, so that I have a clear canvas for my base. I've been really liking to prep the skin with the Farsali oil. I just feel like it truly moisturizes the face. The base applies much better, and I love this, especially for my dry clients or my normal to dry clients. I feel like it definitely smooths out the skin. So next I'm going to do some color correcting. As you can tell, she does have some pigmentation on the side of her face. So to counteract that, I'm just going to go in with a light concealer and an orange corrector mixed together to make a peachy shade, and that cancels out that blue pigmentation. Next, I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm using two brushes, one to stipple on the foundation, and then the other brush is a buffing brush so that I can buff in the foundation. It gives it more of a flawless finish. And after that, I go straight into cream contouring, and these Smashbox sticks are super easy to contour with. So as you can tell, I just draw the line wherever I need to contour. And then I go in with a dual fiber stippling brush from e.l.f. to blend out that contour. After I'm done with the contour, I go back with my foundation brush just to make sure that I blend everything together. So after I'm done contouring, I go in with some concealer to highlight. After I apply the concealer, I like to let it set underneath the eyes for a couple seconds before I blend it out. I did lose the footage of me setting the under eyes, but I did use my Dermablend powder, and I just used my little sponge to set underneath the eyes. So after I set the under eyes, I go into highlighting. I am mixing the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlight and Rodeo Dry from Ofra Cosmetics, and I'm just highlighting everywhere around her face. She is pregnant and she has a pregnant glow already, and so why not enhance that? Her skin is normal to dry, so she really does not get oily at all, and so I can get away with applying this much highlight on her. I've done her makeup before, so I know this works, and it just looks so beautiful on her skin. So if you have a client that has oily skin, I would definitely avoid adding this much highlight, especially in the center of the face. But again, because I know how her makeup wears throughout the day, I can get away with highlighting this much. After I'm done highlighting, I apply some blush in between the highlight and the contour. It's like I'm making a sandwich, and when I contour and highlight first, I know exactly where to place my blush. So to finish off the eyes, I'm just going to add some mascara. It's important that if you are a makeup artist, you use disposable wands. I cannot stress this enough. hygiene is super important when it comes to being a makeup artist. So as you can see here, I'm just applying mascara to her top and bottom lashes, and afterwards I'll just add some falsies. I believe these are from Ardell. They are the like studio effect, or like the double stacked, and they are so beautiful. So I'm just applying those on her eyelids, obviously. And then I am going to go ahead and line her lips and add some lip gloss on top as well. To finish off the look, I'm going to set her makeup with some setting spray, and I'm basically just drenching her skin with that. And that is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and comment if you want more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!